Let's talk about hydraulic actuators. Hydraulic actuators are devices that convert hydraulic energy from fluid pressure to kinetic mechanical energy. They are characterized by their simple design consisting of a piston, cylinder, and a hydraulic fluid such as water or oil. They operate based on Pascal's principle, following force is nothing but the pressure times the area. Hydraulic actuators are known for their high force output, precision, and durability, thus making them good for several applications. There are different types of hydraulic actuators, such as hydraulic cylinders, motors, or pumps. Cylinders, they are a linear actuator. They are the most widely used in industry. Motors, they are a type of rotary actuator producing rotational motion. And pumps, they are considered as elements in a hydraulic system. They convert mechanical energy into hydraulic pressure. There are several applications of hydraulic actuators, such as in construction equipment, in automotive and aerospace parts, but most importantly in manufacturing and industrial machinery, such as hydraulic presses, roll mills, men lifts, and so on. And that's what hydraulic actuators are.